Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that cosecA minus 2 cot A into cosA equal to 2 sin A. So let's take the LHS left hand side. Here cosec A minus 2 cot 2A into cosA. So for cosec we can write 1 by sin A, and this I'm going to convert into cos into sin. So we can write cos 2a divided by sin 2a. Now cos a, here after sin a. Now we can write this one for cos 2a. We can write cos square a minus sin square a is the formula. Cos and sin 2a we can write 2 sin a into cos a. So cos that cancel, 2 cancel. Now here after what left? Sin a left, and here cos square a minus sin square a left, and here sin a. Now sin a is the LCM, so that comes 1, and here cos square a minus sin square a. Now here minus that multiply, so minus plus minus cos square a minus into minus, that come sin square a divided by sin a. Now here after 1 minus cos square a, that is sin a square a plus sin a square a divided by sin a. Now sin a square a plus sin a square a, that is come to sin a square a, sin a. One sin that cancel, finally that return to sin a. So to sin a, our intention is to come. Now here we can write LHS equal to RHS to sin a. Proved. So this is the way we can prove this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.